Hello everyone, welcome back. Yeah, today is Saturday. It's already 4 o'clock. Alas 4 na ron ma? Hapit na day alas 5 almost. Okay, almost 4 p.m. everyone. Mga tumig IKEA. We're going to IKEA kay mag-usap sa IKEA ma.
Napure pa nito.
Bibili kami ng ano guys, yung meatballs. Kasi na-miss na ng mga bata yung meatballs sa IKEA at yung tea towels. Maganda kasi yung tea towels at mura lang sa IKEA everyone. Pero we don't know if makakapasok kami kasi ang haba ng pila ngayon. Siguro it's Saturday pa naman everyone. Mag-window shopping lang din tayo guys. Kung ano na. It's our first time going to IKEA after lockdown. Yeah. Pero tingin ko maraming tao ngayon guys. Parang ang haba ng pila. So we'll see. Wala ngayon ang mga bata nasa bahay. Ay, nagyalo na dyan ang mga dahon.
Picture na ganyan Madrid. Music na Madrid ba? Picture na sa...
Picture na daw.
Madung naman yung tapak.
Hindi na mga dahon tan-aon. Ako sa Loyogod. Na klaro. Green pa dito pit, but on the other side sa Likat Avenue kaya nag-yellow na guys. Nag-yellow na siya ang mga kahoy. We're almost there now everyone. Tingnan nyo ang view. Very green. IKEA is there na. Malapit na guys. Wait, you can see it. There's IKEA.
Igang man rin yung gapot man taday yun yung igang man niya. Kung sanina warm po.
Gawasan mabugnaw.
Kung sanina kay nanglan di naman yung magpot.
There's the view. Ito market kilid. Decathlon. There you can see IKEA. IKEA.
Bagong na tindahan rin.
Kumana naman mga sports kuan.
Kasi pagbasa na, Decathlon.
Decathlon. See, ang laki ng IKEA everyone. There. So medyo malayo kami sa IKEA guys, kaya hindi kami palagi pumupunta dito.
Aura ko na iyang kuan dayo si babo dayo sa bud. Igang di ko sa kong gisuot ay.
Oh, look at the queue. Ang taas kang queue. Pero mag-fast naman ang kuan. We're here now guys. Ang haba ng pila everyone. So, hinahanap namin yung end ng queue para kami mag-queue. Taas kay linyo to dito. Yang among paliton kay meatballs ra awag. We only buy meatballs and tea towels. Ay mapaspas mo kay malohi na tagayo.
Tiil uy.
Dito kong tiil guys. Nakapila na tayo everyone. Haba yung pila pero kuan. Sipakan aneng fast naman yung movements. Doon namin sa pultahan everyone. Malapit na kami sa sa entrance. Sa Paparemi, nag-shopping po iyan. Napo siya dito sa Decathlon. Tanatanaw. Nakasulod. Nakasulod na dyan may guys. We're in. Tulo tayo nito guys. Baka may mabili tayo. Bread sa bata.
Yung mga baso.
Magkunan na ilang mga kung ano.
Okay na mga
Ito na siya.
Taday, tandaan to. Na oh. Bago nila. Nauna ko an. Kani.
Ha? Ano ka nga color?
Cute
Ito
oh.
mga pambata.
Kanan ka color niya. Kuan taday.
Sige.
Pila ka magsulod sa isa ka?
6 ka buok.
Ang plato. Nandungdung ba? Plato nila.
Okay na lang pagkapara. Ano ito mo? Ano kung tadiribi? Ba't lagi niya? Diyan ni. Design. Hindi ko ano. Mga paints. Oh. Scissors. Cute eh. Slay hammer. Ano ni? Organizer. Play kitchen o sa mga bata oh. Ang mga duwaan.
Nadulaan din eh.
Mga toys na mo eh. Kaayo. Ay. Ang mga true eh. Dulaan na siya.
Di kayo tigdula sila mo.
60 na lang siya everyone. 60 na lang ang nilang play kitchen. Ma-light up niya siya. Diba sa coolant oh. Matambok eh. Wow. Ay. Wow. Pinuod din sila. Tea towels. Ano na? 350. Basta ka ano? Hindi ara ang ngita-ngita guys. Ano siya no? Chili lang yung color ma. Sila ka buko pot. Ganito ah?
Ay, design na.
Ay, tumandi po kami siya.
Bawal ng pila man eh. Pag 150? Is this 150? Kung anong taanin mo eh.
Sa kabisina? Sa kabisina yung prito?
Yung video. Wow. Ang daga ng IKEA. Laki ng IKEA guys. Ito nila lalagay ang mga stocks. Oh, look. Very wide. We're done shopping guys. Punta na kami sa cashier. Sa naman ako kay IKEA oh. May mga stocks nila guys. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Sila mga decorations sa kuan man. Ano sila mga decorations? Ay. Nami sa counter everyone. Pero yung meatballs is bibilhin namin, babayaran namin sa ibang counter, hindi dito guys. Nakapila na kami. Maraming tao guys. Pero ang laki ng IKEA. Laki ng IKEA pero kaya hindi siya crowded. Hindi ako naka-video ng guys, ng matagal sa loob kasi may music at medyo mabigat yung dala-dala ko. Dinosaur! Gusto na ni Jeremy.
Bakit yung
Dinosaurs! So, we're done paying everyone at nandito kami ngayon sa food section ng IKEA. Hahanap kami ng meatballs kasi favorite ng mga bata yung meatballs. Mga food nila. Alam to, meatballs ma.
Basta mga biscuits na rin dahil.
Oh. Dapat yung mga biscuits ng IKEA. Ulam, ibig sa mga food. Masarap yung food sa IKEA, everyone.
Tanawa na ko din ang mga kumpang.
Mag-try ta naman.
Isnak-isnakon lang nino. Kupan man mo. Oh.
Kani sa din, mura siya, mura siya galyeta.
Oh, ikaw ganahan.
Ginger thins. Pwede naman tayo gingerbread.
Ano yun?
Ginger thins, gapon kan eh. Biscuits with chocolate flavored filling. I'll try this one eh.
Organic. Ginger thins organic.
Sila mga kuwan. Ako sila yung bag na kuwan eh. Meatballs na ka. Sarao meatballs oh. Sila yung sausages ay. Pero ito ano. Pero ito ano yung sausage. Oh, meatballs naman.
Sa flavor na katong chicken or beef.
How many days? Beef? Dala. Oh, beef ni. Beef. Chicken po. Pila na? Wala chicken.
Ha?
Chicken eh.
Ito. Papanday ng party.
Nasa sa parking.
Yes everyone, I am home actually everyone, so I will show you what I've got from IKEA. So actually guys, we went there just to buy the tea towels actually and the meatballs. That's the plan. But then I bought some stuff guys which we really need as well. So yeah, I will show you what are the things that we got. So the first one is this one guys. It's the curtain rod for the shower. Yes guys, because our old ones is not anymore, you know, good, and it is much better guys than we are using right now. So i-change ko siya with this one. I will change it with this one. So this is just €5 shower curtain rod, and of course I got also shower curtain. This is €10 everyone. 10. The color is it's Mama Letty who chose the color, like white with an accent stripe ba di siya or mga lines accent. And of course I've got this cups for the children. This one guys. Yeah. I got one set only. I've got this hooks for the shower curtain. This transparent everyone. It's very nice. It's so clean. And of course I got 3 sets of tea towels. These are the only colors left guys. This is the reason why we went to IKEA guys, kasi we ran out of this already. So I'm buying a new sets. Tea towels. So it's like this. Oh, I know you already know this one. This is what I love in IKEA guys. This is very cheap in IKEA. This is just 50 cents each, but This is packed by 4 so €2 for each set, for each pack. Yeah. Washable tea towels. I'm using this one, guys, for the dishes, to wipe the dishes. Of course, you can use this as hand towels as well. Yeah, it's like this. And the other design I got is this one. So I got 3 of these. €2 each, so for the 3 it's €6. I also got this hanger with clips. This is $3.50 each, everyone. I got 2. Two. And of course the plates for the kids. I've got new set here. And I also have the, what do you call that? The spoons for that one, guys. Here, the spoons. Spoons, forks, and knives. I think 6 spoons, 6 forks, and 6 knives. And with this one. So yeah, same color. Cute for the kids, everyone. Especially when you're having a dinner with, you're inviting some friends and they're having, you're inviting some children or for a play date at home. I'm using those plates. And I also got, what else I got? Here, bowls. This one, guys, additional bowls. I chose only white, guys, because yeah, our mugs are white, most of our plates are white, so I just have additional white as well, white bowls. This is not expensive, everyone. I think this is just $3.50. No, it's, yeah, I'm right, €3, everyone. This is €3. I got 2, so €6. And of course, everyone, I got these white plates, 1 dozen, everyone. This is just $2.50 each, €2.50 each. So I got 12 pieces, so 1 dozen. Here, more. Yeah. Because some of our plates got broken already, guys. So I'm buying additional plates for us. So 12 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got only 10. Oh, I thought I got 12. I got only 10, everyone. I thought 12. So yeah, for the 10 pieces, I guess it's €25. And they're thick and microwavable as well. So it's nice, guys, and not expensive. And for the food, everyone, of course, IKEA has loads of choices, food choices. So I got these. The first one, this one, guys, gingerbread house biscuits. So the children will be enjoying assembling these gingerbread house, everyone. So this is $2.50 each pack, 1 for day and 1 for Jeremy. So we'll be working on this one tomorrow because it's Sunday and their father is here. Everybody is around, so maybe I am planning to make this with the kids. And I also bought, of course, guys, the decor kit for the gingerbread house. And of course the glue, baking glue. Yeah, this is for so that kids will have an activity tomorrow, guys, because it's Sunday and it's raining already here, everyone. So it's like every day it's raining, so while they're at home they will be having, some activities, guys. So here, decor kit. Insides are, this one, some sugar coated chocolate beads, sprinkles, snowflakes, red sugar writing icing. So yeah, it's inside this box. And the glue, the baking glue, this is for the kids. So gingerbread cookies, gingerbread house. I'm excited for that one, guys. And this is for Mama Letty, chose this one, the gingerbread cookies. We love this one, guys. It's nice. And we have here some cookies. I just tried this one, guys. This is my first time trying cookies from IKEA, but it says here it's sugar-free. So this oat biscuits, and it's sugar-free, and biscuits with almonds as well. So I think this is healthy. And I tried also these cookies from IKEA. This is just $1.25 1.25 euro. And this one, 2. And the jam. This is lingonberry jam, organic. There are loads of food in IKEA, everyone, and IKEA products, food products are nice. I have sausages here as well, 1 pack of sausages. Children love sausages. My kids. And of course, guys, the main reason why I went to IKEA are these meatballs. Meatballs, guys. These are nice, everyone. The red pack is beef flavor. I got 3 of these. I got 3 packs of beef flavored meatballs because I will be giving that to for our cousins. Yeah. This one for our 2 cousins, their brothers, Rod and Ray. And this one is for Aidan. And our meatballs is this. This is our chicken because my father-in-law, guys, cannot eat beef. So I got chicken for him. And this is for the kids, beef. So yeah, this is 5.45 euro, everyone, in IKEA. Marami na siya, guys. So yeah, these are everything that I got in IKEA and Brussels. So yeah, this so far, I think I paid around for everything, guys, 110, something like that. 110 euro. So yeah, that's all for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you all on my next one. Bye. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified in our next video. And see you on our next one.